Getting a payment declined or hitting a sudden ceiling on your spending is a massive headache, especially when you actually have the money in your account. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to lift those limits and take full control of your Revolut account so you never get stuck at the checkout again. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share one specific card setting that most people overlook, which actually acts as a hidden secondary limit, even if you think you have cleared everything else. The reason these limits exist in the first place is basically Revolut acting like a digital bodyguard for your wallet. Think of it as a safety net designed to stop a thief from draining your entire life savings in 5 minutes if your phone or card ever gets stolen. While that security is great for peace of mind, it becomes a problem when you are trying to make a big purchase or book a holiday and the app decides to cut you off. The good news is that these barriers are not permanent, and you can move them around whenever you need to. To get started, pull up your Revolut app and look at the main home screen. You need to head straight to your settings, so tap your profile icon sitting in the top left corner of the screen. Once that menu opens up, you are going to see a list of options. Scroll down until you find the tab labeled Security. This is where the main controls for your account behavior live. Open that up and look for the option called Transaction Limit. When you click into this section, you will see a toggle for your daily limit. If it is currently set to 0 or a very low number, that is why your transactions are failing. You can manually type in a new amount here, like $10,000, or whatever suits your needs for the day. Once you hit confirm, your new daily spending ceiling is active immediately. Now, sometimes that is not enough, because Revolut treats your physical card and your digital account as two different things. If your app limit is high, but your card still won't work, you need to check your card-specific security. Go back to that security menu and tap on Card Security instead. Select the specific physical card you are trying to use. Right at the top of this list, you will see Spending Limit. If this toggle is switched on, it might be set to a lower monthly amount that is overriding everything else. You can either increase the number or simply toggle the switch off entirely to remove the restriction. The pro tip I promised you involves the single-use virtual cards. If you are worried about security but hate changing these limit menus constantly, start using the disposable virtual cards for your online shopping. These cards regenerate their details after every single use, which means you can leave your main account limits high for convenience while still being 100% protected from hackers or recurring subscriptions you didn't authorize. It gives you the freedom of high limits with the safety of a locked-down account. Now that your spending is sorted, you should probably look into how to optimize your pocket settings to make sure you are actually saving as much as you are spending.